Agriculture is changing fast, and today farming is no longer only about hard work. It is about smart work. One of the most important steps in farming is land preparation, because healthy crops always start with well-prepared soil. To achieve this, farmers need strong, reliable, and efficient machinery. One such powerful agricultural implement is the disc harrow machine. The disc harrow is designed to prepare the soil after primary tillage. When the field is plowed, the soil often remains rough, uneven, and full of large clods. This condition is not ideal for sowing seeds. The disc harrow solves this problem by breaking hard soil clods, leveling the land, and creating a fine seedbed that helps crops grow better. This machine works using a set of strong, concave steel discs mounted on a heavy-duty frame. As the tractor pulls the disc harrow forward, these discs rotate and cut into the soil. They lift, turn, and crush the soil, making it loose and well mixed. At the same time, crop residue and organic matter are mixed into the soil, which improves soil fertility. One of the biggest advantages of the disc harrow machine is its ability to work in tough conditions. Whether the soil is dry, hard, wet, or covered with crop stubble, the disc harrow performs efficiently. It cuts through residues easily and prevents clogging, which saves time and effort in the field. The strong steel discs are specially designed to penetrate deep into the soil. This helps in better aeration, allowing air and moisture to reach plant roots more easily. Proper aeration improves root development and leads to stronger, healthier crops. Farmers who use a disc harrow often notice better germination and more uniform crop growth. Another important benefit of the disc harrow is weed control. As the discs cut and turn the soil, weeds are uprooted and buried deep into the ground. This reduces weed growth naturally and lowers the need for chemical herbicides. As a result, farming becomes more economical and environmentally friendly. The disc harrow also helps conserve soil moisture. By breaking clods and leveling the surface, it reduces moisture loss from the soil. This is especially useful in dry regions where water is limited. Moisture retention plays a key role in improving crop yield and reducing irrigation costs. From a farmer's point of view, time and fuel savings are very important. The disc harrow covers a large area in less time compared to traditional farming methods. It reduces the number of field operations needed before sowing, which means less fuel consumption and lower labor costs. This directly increases farm profitability. The machine is suitable for a wide range of crops, including wheat, maize, rice, cotton, sugarcane, and many more. It can be used before almost any crop, making it a versatile tool for every farming season. Disc harrows are available in different sizes and configurations, making them compatible with small, medium, and large tractors. Durability is another key feature of the disc harrow. It is built with a strong frame, high-quality bearings, and heavy-duty shafts that ensure long service life. With proper maintenance, this machine can perform efficiently for many years. Regular lubrication, checking bolts, and storing the machine in a dry place help maintain its performance. Compared to traditional plows and cultivators, the disc harrow offers better soil mixing and more uniform land leveling. It reduces tractor load and improves working efficiency. This means less stress on the tractor and smoother field operations. Safety is also important when using agricultural machinery. Farmers should always operate the disc harrow at recommended speeds and ensure all parts are properly tightened. Proper training and careful handling ensure safe and trouble-free operation. Investing in a disc harrow machine is a smart decision for modern farmers. It improves soil health, reduces operational costs, saves valuable time, and increases overall crop yield. In today's competitive agricultural environment, using efficient machinery is not a luxury but a necessity. In conclusion, the disc harrow machine is a powerful and reliable solution for effective land preparation. It transforms rough, uneven fields into smooth, fertile land ready for sowing. With better soil structure, improved moisture retention, and enhanced crop growth, the disc harrow plays a vital role in successful farming. If you want stronger crops, higher yields, and better farming results. The disc Harrow machine is the right choice for your field.